Hello everyone. Here is how we create a student account on Canvas. You need this account to start learning online using Canvas. So after you receive invitation message from Canvas, open your mail and you see get started button. Just click it. Now you are directed to the main page of Canvas. All you need to do is to click accept. Okay, because you don't have an account yet, you need to create a new one. So in this case, click the second button, create my account. Now your registered email is at the top. You type a password. Okay, just type a password for yourself to be used on Canvas. Change the time zone to Bangkok +7 +3 here +7 Bangkok +7. You may uncheck this one, but be sure to check the second. Let me change the password a bit. And register. Everyone, you got to be very careful not to forget your password. Okay. You can also let your browser save your password if you like. And now I have created and joined the online course successfully. Good luck with your joining the course.